hairstyle, but today it's all about the nails. Nails, 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 nails. It's your girl Chrissy on the beat, and I'm here giving you guys another beat look. I'm going to show you guys how I made my nails look just like I got them done at the shop. Yes, I'm giving you press-ons to look like acrylics. So cute, so awesome. You guys are gonna love it. This is a really easy thing. My biggest thing is cuticle, cuticle, cuticle. Boop. So awesome. There's a secret trick, there's some secret tips, and I'm gonna lay it here on the line for you guys on this channel, on this video for you today. As a matter of fact, I'm not even at home. This is so easy. You could do it wherever you have a little table to sit at. Let me show you how to make yourself look like a boss while spending on a budget. This is all about filing, filing, filing. Really, I cannot stress that. File your nails so they're nice and clean. Then you just clip the sides of your nails down so that way you don't have any excess nail on the side that the fake nail can see through. And really take your time. Don't rush this. It's gonna be the most important thing that you guys do when it comes to filing and clipping your nails and prepping it for that fake plastic nail so it can look like it's literally growing out of your finger. That's the most important thing. The biggest difference between acrylic and these press-ons is that press-ons, they don't look like a real nail coming out of your finger, and this is gonna totally discredit the difference between press-ons and acrylics now. Keep watching. Oh yeah, that's what I like to do. I like to get all up under the nail, making sure that there's a space between my skin and the nail, so that way there's somewhere for that press-on to go. So this is a very, 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 very crucial step, making sure that you left that space. And then once you've done that, you just clip that cuticle off. You get the excess and you don't keep it on. Then you just clip your nail down a little bit more, so that way that space is really defined. Yay! Now it's time for the fun stuff. I will give you all the details of where I got these and which type of nails these are at the details below, but now it's time for the fun stuff. Before I even put any glue down, I make sure that the nail is the right size. I stick it underneath my cuticle just a little bit, maybe like a millimeter, and then I put the glue on my nail, probably about a pea-size, dime size, and you can see I slip the nail under my cuticle first, and then I push it down towards the top, making sure my cuticle is pulled nice and over. I wipe it clean, any excess, and I just kind of push my cuticle to make sure it's over the press-on nail, making sure any glue that may have gotten underneath the nail is kind of pulled away, and there you go. Voila, it literally looks like I got this done. Last thing I do is a little bit of filing once I have them all glued down, just to make sure that they're the right shape. I don't want to have any issues with that. So keep watching and see me finish up. finished product, you guys. Oh my goodness, I so love this so much. I do it all the time. This is really easy, and the nails really don't damage my nails. I just easily take them off, and you can see how easy I put these on. I love them, and I hope you guys do too.